Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. Hey guys, in today's Bricks Builder tutorial, we will be going over how to create a pop-up sign that shows when a visitor attempts to exit your page. I really love the interactions features in Brick Splitter. It's great for creating a dynamic user experience and automating some actions on your website based on what your website visitor does. Um, so we will be using the interactions feature to do this. Okay. So here's how it is. Video is going to be organized, and you can see it on screen here. So first, we're going to create a super basic pop up. Then we're going to create an exit icon for the pop up, and then we are going to set the conditions for the pop up, and then after that, we're going to set the exit icon in action, and then lastly, we're going to set the pop up interaction so that it pops up when a user exits your page. So that's how this video is going to be structured. All right, let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the pop-up. So let's navigate to Bricks go to template section, click on add new to create a new template. Then choose pop-up as your template type. So now let's go to design the pop-up, okay? To begin designing your pop-up, click the edit with bricks button. This opens up the Brick Splitter interface, which offers a range of tools and options for creating your pop-up. So go ahead and drag and drop elements such as your text, images, buttons, and forms into your template. Customize the style, size, and the color of the layout of each element so that it fits your design. Now, like in this video, we're just like doing a quick overview of creating a pop-up, but if you want to create like a sign-up form that is linked to your email provider and such, like Aweber, we'll have another video that covers that separately, okay? But for the sake of brevity, for this video, we won't be doing that. I mean, in terms of the pop-up design, there's actually one last thing we need to do, and which is put up an exit icon on a pop-up, okay? Because it's pretty annoying when there's a pop-up and there's no way to exit the pop-up, okay? So to do that, you are going to select an exit icon, whichever icon you want. Just, for simplicity's sake, just choose X icon. And then put on the right-hand side or wherever you want exit icon to be. Okay, and so now we're completely done designing the pop-up. Hey, we've got a quick favor ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. So now that you are done, creating your pop-up, let's go ahead and set the display conditions. So you could set it to display to pop up on specific pages or under certain circumstances, right? So now that we're done setting conditions and creating a pop-up, let's go ahead and add interactions. Again, that Brick's interactions feature controls how your pop-up responds to user actions or events, right? So let's go to the interactions tab in the pop-up settings. So in interactions, we will actually be setting two interactions. So one, what happens when the user clicks on the exit icon, so the pop-up should exit. And the second interaction we are going to set is when the pop-up should show up. So we're going to set it to show up when the user is about to exit your site or exit the page they are. Okay, so to set the interactions for the icon, go to the icon interactions settings and go ahead and set the trigger to click and the action as high element targeting the pop-up, whole pop-up. Okay. So to use this in action globally in multiple locations, make the element global by targeting it with the CSS selector period BRX dash popup, which applies to auto pop-ups in Bricks Builder. So now we're done with the interactions for the exit icon. Let's do the interactions for the pop-up. So we'll go ahead and go to favors and set to mouse leave window cuter because that's the user action that we know means that they're about to leave the page. So for action, we're just going to choose show element, but there's a bunch of other actions here if you want to animate the pop up a little more. And then down here, you've set to run only once, or you've set it. And then up here, you've set it to the interactions to be per page load, the amount per page load, per session, or across sessions. And then obviously there's a bunch of settings and design options we can go over. And also here you could see that your sign up button, you could connect it to various email providers. But again, we're going to cover that in another video because this video is getting a bit too long. So we'll cover that in another video. Okay, so once you're done with everything, just save it, publish it, and test it first, see if it works. And if it works, then everything's good to go. But if it doesn't, and you're having trouble with it, leave a comment in section below, and we try to get to it ASAP, and we'll kind of show you what went wrong. Then this video and all this content takes a lot of time. So if you appreciate this video, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you could see more of my videos. Okay, thank you.